Balikan ko lamang po yung resulta ng naging eleksyon kumpara sa mga nailabas po na survey. Hindi po maiaalis, may mga nagre-react na sinasabi nila, diskumpiyado na ako sa mga pre-election survey na yan. Ano po? Kasi nga talagang biglang nag-number 2 si Senator Bam, number 5 yata si Senator Kiko, considering na medyo nasa dulo sila. Yung kumbaga nandun sila sa nanganganib na kumbaga nakasabit na gano'n na nandoon yung, of course, nandoon yung chance. Hindi naman sila yung sobrang nasa dulo, pero nandun sila sa border na alanganin na pwedeng manalo, pwedeng matalo, pero yung naging resulta, biglang nasa top 6 silang dalawa. At ang nagiging reaksyon tuloy ng mga ilan ng ating mga kababayan, naku, hindi na nga ako maniniwala sa surveys na yan. Bilang taga-Okta Research po, ay ano po ang inyong take on that or explanation din para mas maintindihan ng mga kababayan natin, Professor Rai?
O unang-una, ang survey, ako ay nagsasita lang bilang miyembro ng Okta Research.
Opo.
Pag tinignan niyo ho yung survey namin, 3 weeks before the election, sinabi namin ito ang pwedeng manalo.
Mhm.
Pag tingnan niyo ho yung listahan namin, yung sinabi namin mananalo, yun ang nanalo.
Mhm.
12 out of 12. So, surveys are still reliable po.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. Now, yun nga lang, yung rankings namin, ibang-iba.
Mhm.
Sa, well, hindi naman iba-iba. Yung si Bongo, tama naman kami. Si Bato de la Rosa, tama naman kami. Tama kami kay Ping Lacson, kay Pia Cayetano. Yung rankings. Pero kasi dahil sinabi rin namin mananalo si Senator Bong Revilla, sinabi namin mananalo si Mayor Binay, at
Meron
mataas
pa,
yung...
Ben Tulfo, oo.
Tatlo lang na yun, yung tatlo na yun.
Aha.
Sila yung nasa taas ng survey namin, nasa top 12 sila.
Aha.
Doon ho medyo ibang-iba ang lumabas doon sa resulta. Now, does it mean that surveys are unreliable? Hindi naman tama ho yun. Kasi nakuha pa rin namin yung 12 out of 12. Number 2, yung ranking, ang lami ho nangyari 3 weeks before. And thankfully, marami nangyari kasi ang sinasabi ng mga pagbabago na yon sa voter preference is that may parang momentum towards a more discerning, more, how should I say this, progressive citizens vote dito sa election. Bagamat maliit siya, nakita namin malaking impact niya sa change. Now, last point, and very important ito iba kasi yung pagkakaintindi ng marami sa survey, ang tingin nila, predictive siya, deterministic siya, para siyang crystal ball. Hindi ho ganun ang survey probabilistic. Sa probability lang titingnan namin. And it's just really a snapshot of a particular period in time. Now kami nga lang, sayang ang Okta, we got the numbers, the winning names right. We were hoping sana if we had more funding, baka sana nung May kami rin nagpatakbo ng survey, and probably we would have gotten even the rankings, most of the rankings right. Pero naman, when you look at our local surveys, an example would be Isko Moreno's, kasi lumabas yun, nalabas sa media lahat yun, yung surveys ng Okta
Yes.
sa Manila. Sinabi namin 63%. Ano yung actual? 60%. Sinabi namin si Hani Locomo will get 18%. She got 21%. Nasa margin of error lahat. You notice,
Yes.
Madam? So, the surveys were actually very reliable. And up until our last survey sa April, this is what we truly believe, that there was really a momentum for certain people. I think we were one of the few, if not the only survey company that said Marcoleta was going to win. And he did. We also said Bam was already winning. He was already number 12. And his momentum was there. We also said that Kiko Pangilinan had a very good chance. And did. And these people, by the way, Senator Kiko in particular, they recognize that surveys are not perfect, but they gave a snapshot of that period, the last week of April, saying that there was a momentum shift all throughout, not just for Kiko, Bam, and Marcoleta, but also for many PDP Laban bets. We were also seeing that while mababa si Senator Bato sa amin for 3 successive surveys, we felt na in April survey, he solidified his position where it was. Ayun nga. So, but there were trends that hindi namin na-cover dahil kasi yung survey kasi snapshot lang siya. Hindi kami nakakuha ng kumbaga ba sa camera, hindi kami nakakuha ng bagong picture nung May eh.
Nung May.
So,
Pero din,
kami pero by and large, all survey companies got at least 75% of the names.
tsaka, di ba,
9 out of 12, 9 out of 12.